Are you in deriv trading? And you trade deriv indexes daily basis. You tired of losing always and have not found yet a way profitable. You tired many types of different strategies to become profitable, but there are no results. Even you tried many times to motivate yourself to start it again with positive mindset, but still fail. Then don't worry anymore. We found an automatic trade solution for you to become profitable trader. You want to achieve profitable results and start paying your bills from profit. So let's get started. Log into your deriv account and click on this icon on screen and access the settings. After, when you get there on settings page, read API token instructions carefully and then proceed to next step. Next step, mark the read option and then trade option. And next is trading information. And scroll down to give it a name like trader. After you input name, click on, then create button to have API token. And scroll down to access token. Right click on it and copy this token. Once you finish this whole step and you copied your token, then move to TradeBot website through the provider link. Once you get there on Ultimate TradeBot website, this first option to do is paste the COPE token there in API token column. And press Submit API token button and wait for few seconds to load it on system. Once the API linked, you will see there some instructions appear. Move to next step. Next step is to move on MT5. Here, we will attach the robot to MT5 chart and allow algo option. After you drag and drop the bot, you will see a message will pop on screen. Deriv API token connection is established. To confirm it, we will press the terminal algo trade button and verify the action. Click on Tools and get to Options and scroll down to the Expert Advisor option. Here you will see a link of connection which confirm the step is okay and working. Let's move back to the bot site to bridge connection from there. We are back on our bot website where we will establish the connection to run auto trading. Smother, here you guys can see it show. We are live. Now after scroll down to the pair list where we will select trading pairs, boom and crash or volatility index. So bot, start trading on it. After you've done the selection of the pairs, check mark on them and come back to top. Here in left side, you will press link MT5 button. The login done. Now we will press the Start Auto Trading button to enable trade on MT5 account. Here we finally done with all steps. So let's move back to MT5 trading terminal to see things. Now we are back on MAT5 and things are working fine. There's no any errors. This boom 300 pair. Now we will wait for robot to open the trade automatically. Let's wait and watch. Here you guys can see the trade just opened by the bot live on Boom 300 Index, a buy trade. The trade is a buy trade and also the trade, an SL stop loss, and TP take profit, and is all automatic hands free. You don't need to do anything in this. The bot will automatically carve your account and take trade automatically with proper risk management. See a downside the history of closed trade by bot which made profit of $580. Here you see a spike appeared. The trade went in profit. And bot just moved the stop loss into trail mean break-even stop. So if market went back, you will be out in profit. Almost this is a life-changing tool to get access to the tool inbox our team. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. Like it, share it, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video. Wish you best of luck in your trading journey.